Students, today we'll do question number 5 and 6 of exercise 12.2. So in question number 5, what we have what should be taken away from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 to obtain minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20. Okay, so what we have to subtract from this to obtain this. So again we'll understand this. What should be taken away from 10? Suppose what should be taken away from 10 to obtain 6? So what we have to do? So what is the trick? So what is a process that we have to follow? The process is that we have to subtract 6 from 10. That is 10 minus 6. What is the answer? 4. So answer would be 4. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So what we are doing? We are subtracting 6 from 10. Okay. In the same way, this is 10. Okay, what we have to subtract from 10. So consider this as 10 and consider this as 6. So what we have to do? We have to subtract this particular term, that is minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20. This term, this particular expression, we have to subtract it from this one. Okay, so let's start. So we'll begin. So we'll write this part first. Okay, so just write it down like this, just to make you understand. 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20. Now from this, what you have to subtract? From this, what you have to subtract to obtain this one? So this is the question. Okay, understood? So what we understood, that what was the number here? 10 minus box is equals to 6, isn't it? So what we did 10 minus 6, isn't it? So same thing we'll do, this minus this. So let's start. 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20. Now again we'll put it down. So be careful with the variables, students. Minus y square, then xy is there, 6xy plus 6xy, and then 20 plus 20 is there, isn't it? Now we'll write minus here. Now what will happen? Yes, minus will turn to plus, minus will turn to plus, plus will turn to minus, and this will turn to minus. So let's begin with the solution. Plus is plus, here we have 1, isn't it? Here we have 1. So plus is plus, 3 plus 1 is 4. Which number is greater? 3. 3 is getting plus sign. Okay, minus plus is minus, again we are having 1 out here. Okay, so minus plus is minus, 4 minus 1 is 3y square. Now which number is greater? 4. 4 is getting what sign? Minus. So we'll put it minus 7. Now again, plus minus is minus, 6 minus 5 is 1. Which number is greater? 6. 6 is getting what sign? Minus. So we'll put minus. Plus minus is minus, 20 minus 20 is 0. So we'll write 0. So this is your final answer. Okay, this is the solution of sum number 5. Let's move on to sum number A of question number 6. Now this is sum number A of question number 6. Now from the sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11, we have to subtract what? 3x minus 4y minus 11. So from the sum of these two, okay, what is the sum? If I ask you what is the sum of 2 and 3, so what do you say? 5. So 5 is the sum. Okay, sum doesn't mean plus, but to find out sum we have to do plus. Okay, the answer of addition is called sum. Understood? Now the sum of these two, so we have to add this two because they are asking the sum. Okay, so we have to add this two. Whatever the answer will come with from that particular answer, we have to subtract this one. Okay, so this is the solution. This is the main scenario of this particular sum. So let us first add this two plus this also. So we are adding this two to get the sum of this. Now we'll open the bracket. Plus minus is minus 11. Now bring all the like terms together. So x, there is no x variable. Bring y with y and take the like terms together, constant terms together. So now you have to solve it. This you have to solve and this you have to solve. So 3x minus minus is plus. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2y, give minus sign. Plus minus is minus. 11 minus 11 is 0. So you will cancel it out. So this is a sum of these two. Now from this sum you have to subtract this one. Okay, so how to subtract? 3x minus 2y. Now you will write it down. 3x minus y minus 11. Okay, now it's because we are doing subtraction. Now this particular number is carrying plus sign. No sign is there, it means plus sign. So it will become minus, minus will become plus, and minus will become again plus. So plus minus is minus, 3x minus 3x is 0, so we'll cancel it out. Okay, minus plus is minus, 2 minus 1 is y. Now which number is greater? 2. 2 is carrying what sign? Minus sign. Now plus minus is, this is plus only. So there is no constant term, so we'll straight away we'll write 11. So this is your required answer, students. Okay, this is a solution of sum number A of question number 6. Now let's move on to sum number B. This is sum number B. Now sum number B is from the sum of 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x. Again we have to do the sum. We have to find out the sum. That means we have to add this two. Okay, and from is there. That means from this sum we have to subtract what? The sum of this two. Okay. Now first of all we'll do the addition of these two and we'll get the sum. And the second part of the sum is that we have to again add this two also. And we also we have to get the sum. So let's start. Let's begin. So 4 plus 3x plus, put it inside the bracket, 5 minus 4x plus 2x square. So we are, and at the same time you have to find the addition of this two also. We have to do the addition, not find the addition. You have to do the addition to get the sum. So put it inside the bracket, minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, so first we'll do this one. So first of all we'll open the bracket. So 4 plus 3x plus 5 minus 4x plus 2x square. Okay, so we'll bring the constant term together. These are the constant term. So 4 plus 5. Now bring all the x terms together. That is 3x minus 4x, and there is only one x square variable is there. So we'll write it at last. So now solve this two. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now this will be plus minus is minus. 4 minus 3 is x. Which number is greater? 4. 4 is carrying what sign? Minus. So put minus. So the sum of this two is this. Now let's get the sum of this one. First open the bracket. 3x square minus 5x plus minus is minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Now bring the variables together, like terms together, that is x square with x square, x with x. There is only one constant term, so we'll write it at last. Now solve this two. So plus minus is minus, we have to do. So 3 minus 1, 2. Which number is greater? 3. So 3 is carrying plus sign, so I have not given anything. Minus plus minus, 5 minus 2 is 3. Which number is greater? Minus 5. 5 is carrying minus sign, so put minus sign. Okay, now we are quite aware of the sum of both the part, isn't it? Now what we have to do? Now from the sum of this, that is from the sum of this, we have to subtract the sum of this. That means this minus this we have to do. So 9 minus x plus 2x square. Now we'll write x square with x square, so it is carrying 2x square. Now second term is x, so it is carrying minus 3x and plus 5. So plus 5. Now we have to minus. So change the sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and plus will become minus. So now plus minus is minus. 9 minus 5 is what? 4. Which number is greater? 9. 9 is carrying what sign? Plus, so it is there. Minus plus is minus. So 3 minus 1 is 2x, isn't it? Which number is greater? 3. 3 is carrying what sign? Plus, so put plus sign. Plus minus is minus. 2x square minus 2x square is 0, so cancel it. So the answer is this. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number B. So we are done with exercise 12.2. Tomorrow we'll start exercise 12.3. Okay, thank you and take care.